guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Oh guys, if you just came across my channel, welcome, and I hope you become a part of my family. I have a big family now. Anyway guys, today we'll be doing pumpkin cake. I had pureed some pumpkin, pureed a pumpkin, a half of a pumpkin. I will link the video in the bottom. Guys, OMG, I could not even wait to make this pumpkin cake. Oh, with fresh pumpkin puree. Woo! That's a whole different, a whole different flavor right there by itself. Anyway guys, if you don't have fresh pumpkin puree, you can always use the can. You know that, right? Yeah. Anyway guys, let's start baking. Oh, and I got my apron. Yes, I had to go and find my apron. So first I need to go and put the oven on. I'm going to put the oven on. Put the oven on to 375. There's nothing in the oven. Anyway guys, let's start this baking. I will leave the link for the fresh pumpkin puree that I did, the video that I did. I will leave the link in the description below so you guys can go and take a look at it if you have a fresh pumpkin and want to do some pumpkin puree, and then tag me. Okay guys, I'm gonna start with my dry ingredients first. The flour. Haha, that's the oven ready. Baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, pumpkin spice. The sugar and the butter I'll do together first. Well, second. Because I'm doing the dry ingredients first. All of these make friends. Okay. I think we're good. Ooh, Lord, it's windy. Can put this one aside. Mix it a little bit closer. Oh, yes. Okay. We'll start with the butter and the sugar first. I'm using unsalted butter. I will be leaving the measurements and the instructions in the description below. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell so you don't miss my other video. I'm using a little bit of this one because one of those stick butter, I had used a portion of it already. So, okay guys, I'm using the brown sugar that I had made in a previous video. Yes, I will link it below. Okay, bring that up. And we'll start it low and slow. I think I can increase that. We'll cream those. Then we start to add the other ingredients. Yes, yes. Okay guys, it's creaming. Yes, yes, yes. So we'll add 1 egg at a time. We ain't doing that. Okay, I start cracking the eggs. I was trying to start cracking the eggs inside the mixing bowl, but I wasn't taking any chances having eggshells drop in there. So, yes, I got my own little dish now. Okay, this is much safer. No eggshells. Increase this a little bit. Ooh, Lord Jesus. Oh boy. I got eggshells in this one. Let's take that out from there. You guys know how to get eggshells out of the egg, right? You use the same eggshell to take that shell, the eggshell that's cracking there. You can use the same eggshell. It's quicker for you to take it out. Okay, wash my hands. To combine together. Combine those together, and then we'll add the vanilla. You can add the vanilla now. Sweet heaven, guys, this is already smelling good. Okay, we're gonna start to add the flour and the milk a little bit at a time. Let's lower this. Hi guys, a footnote. You will need to save your dry ingredients before you add it to your wet ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of the pumpkin in there because this way I'll know. Just stop a little bit. Stop. Holy Jesus, that smells good already. Combine the flour with that, and then we'll add the pumpkin, the rest of the pumpkin that I have, because I put half of it in there already. So now we'll add the other half. Holy Jesus, that smells good. Okay, this is a pumpkin that I had previously puree, and yes, I will leave the link below. Guys, looking good. Ooh, yes, Lord. Okay. Oops. Just need to start it. Okay. This is where you have to be careful because you're using fresh pumpkin, so it has a little more. It's more moisture, more moist than the canned pumpkin. So this is where you have to be very careful of the amount of milk you're adding in there. Okay, guys. yeast and flour my pans. And I'm using 2 different pans because I don't have 2 of the same size of each of them. So I'll take out some of that, the bubbles. Okay guys, I'm gonna pop these in the oven and we'll be right back. I'm still seeing bubbles. There it is. You guys see the bubble? Alright. I think we're good. I hope we're good. Alright, so let's go and pop them in the oven. Okay guys, they're both in the oven, and you need to set the your rack, the oven rack, in the middle of the oven if possible, so you have even heat on your cakes. Okay guys, I'll see you guys when the cake is finished. Let me clean up here. Okay guys, one of the cake is finished. Nice and clean. I think the next one is a little bit more fatter, if I would say that. This one did not come out as, you know, that's okay though. This is our testing one. Normally you serve it with cream cheese frosting. Some people use a little bit of confectioner's sugar on it. We just gonna have it plain. We're not the type of people. No, we're just gonna have it plain, guys. But you have options. Okay guys, this is the other cake. It is finished. So I'm gonna let that cool off a little bit. But this one is already cool. Let's see if we can take it out of the pan. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave them to cool off a little bit, and then we'll transfer them to one of these rocks, and then I need to find somewhere to put them. Guys, I don't have my cake domes with me. Okay, I'm ready to take the cakes out. Oh my. Okay guys, you will need a half a sheet tray or a tray to turn the cake right side up. I'm a tad bit nervous. Oh, I heard it. Yes! Oh my God! Yes, 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 yes. Okay, get another plate and turn it right side up. Okay, guys. Oh my God. Nice, moist, and delicious. Guys, this came out so good. Oh my God, it came out so good. Anyway, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell so you don't miss my other video. You don't want to miss the other video, guys. No. Stay safe and God bless you guys.